So you sold your home. Congratulations. What comes next? That's the focus of this week's episode of Selling with Shannon. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. So the first thing is to gather your paperwork. That includes any receipts for work that you've done to the home, any financial documents, your closing statement, all of that. Set aside any documents that you'll want to leave for the new owner, things like manuals or warranties. If you're doing a 1031 exchange, you're selling an investment property, make sure you know exactly what the deadlines are to designate a replacement property and to close escrow on it. Then you'll want to contact the U.S. Postal Service with plenty of advance notice to put in a change of address form. And you'll want to check with the new owners to see if they're still getting mail, and you may have to notify the Postal Service again. That's something that we've heard from a lot of clients. If you have any ongoing services that occur on either a monthly or a quarterly basis, notify those companies. That could include pest control or an alarm company. Also, if you have a gardener or a pool service, you may want to share that information with the new owner and then let your service provider know that you'll be moving, when you'll be moving, and that if they'd like to continue that service with the new owner, and if they haven't heard from them, they should go ahead and reach out. Obviously, you're going to want to be packing and find a reputable moving company to help you with the move. Make sure to change your utilities, and that includes obviously electric, gas, water, trash, and if you have cable or internet, don't forget that as well. Finally, the big move, and it's always courteous to leave the home clean, so you might want to consider hiring a cleaning company to help with that. If you have any questions about what happens during the sale process, before or after, reach out and let us know. You may also want to check out the other videos in our Selling with Shannon series if you found this one helpful. Thanks for watching.